Morning, everybody. How you doing? Just wanted to talk today a little bit about patterns and pavers. Anyways, I always get asked what's the best pattern to use for interlocking pavers in vehicular. Um, in pedestrian, it really doesn't matter if you're using running bonds, stack bonds, anything like that, herringbone, basket weaves. It all works. You're not really worrying about vehicular traffic on it, so that's part of the that solves part of the problem. Anyway, so vehicular traffic, it's a big deal on using the correct pattern. You don't get to just pick any pattern and just run with it because you're losing interlock. Now, the thing that most people don't realize is that interlock comes nowadays from pattern. You used to have the tongue and groove, squiggly, serpentine looking type pavers or the key locks or the keystones, where they're basically male female ended or tongue and groove, and they can actually lock together, which allows for interlock. Nowadays, you're relying on the pattern. Use rectangles, linear pavers, squares. So you need some way to lock them together to distribute weight. That is the purpose of interlock, is distributing weight, locking in the sand joints, and keeping things from migrating or creeping, as it's called. So that's kind of the topic, I guess, for today. It's real limited. There's really only herringbone or a ashlar pattern, multi-piece ashlar pattern. It can be two pieces, as a rec and a square and an eye pattern, a combo, combination pattern, random pattern. Anything that breaks up a linear line after a foot and a half. So every so many inches, you want to break that line so it actually distributes the weight. Now, pavers have a way of kind of leaning on each other to distribute that weight. So when you get a lot of running lines, they're basically only leaning on a couple of pavers. When you get interlock and you lock them all together in certain patterns like herringbone or ashlar patterns, you're actually creating interlock all the way around them. So that's the key there, folks, is to make sure that they all lock up. But it's really only a concern for vehicular traffic. So make sure your patterns lock up in your vehicular patterns. And if they don't, talk to us, call us over at Orco, and we can help you through some possible other ideas using our OBP products. If you guys aren't familiar with Orco completely, we actually own a company called Orco Blended, which makes mortars, thin sets, things like that. So getting away from those locking patterns, there are some ways to do it, but you need to consult your Orco rep and talk to them about the ways to properly do that. So doing running bonds, stack bonds, things like that. There's possibilities using the right paver, but you'll be getting into mortar set type applications. So anyways, hope everybody's doing good out there. Stay tuned next couple weeks. Keep an eye on Orco. We are about to release some really cool stuff. Samples are getting made in the next week or two, and you're going to see some really cool products from Orco coming out. Orco commercial is on the come up, and keep an eye out. We're going to be doing new things, fun things, and new catalog coming. So we've been waiting on some products to come out, and they are here and just getting made right now in Riverside. So we will be displaying some really fun, new, cool products coming soon to a design room near you. All right, thanks a lot. Have a good week, everybody, and thanks for hearing my talk today about patterns. Take care.